Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Dileep Kumar and I'm founder CMT, Center of Men Therapy. Well, CMT has started several projects and this is one of the project by the CMT. The only vision for this project is to convert the physiotherapy books in a very easy language. Primarily, I was targeting to convert the different physiotherapy books working for the manual therapy, dry needling and acupuncture uh, into the Urdu language for the Asian, not only for the Pakistani, but the Asian wherever the Urdu language is quite understandable. Well, now I am targeting to convert all the most of the physiotherapy books into a very easy explanation and demonstration. Just for this vision, this project is, as you can see, I right now I have targeted after the manual therapy and acupuncture, I have targeted another topic that is the dry needling. So here you can see the book is not definitely not written by me. I will give the credit those authors like the Gils Geyer, Jimmy Michael, and Ben Tolson for writing this book. This book is titled as a dwindling for the manual therapist, and my vision or my approach or my concept is just to explain all the chapters in a very easy with easy explanation and demonstration. This is the only reason to launch this series, and this series is purely online. And I will upload the single lecture for a single chapter. So just look what the dwindling for the manual therapist, uh, the content it has, the chapters it has, the concept it has, and what is the practice. And while if you talk about the practices, the videos, yeah, practical part will be recorded first and then it will be uploaded via the series. So welcome to this series that titled as a dwindling for the manual therapist, the book, and I will try my best to explain. So let's continue and I will target the every chapter in a very in a separate video. Thank you.